We are talking about Microsoft 365, but this product has gone through many iterations of names. Initially, this was introduced as the Business Productivity Online Suite or BPOS, not a great name to be very catchy. And through the years, Microsoft has changed the name of the products to Office 365, and today it's grown to Microsoft 365. The term Office 365 is still used quite a bit throughout the interfaces and the various tools. But what is Microsoft 365 and what is Office 365? Overall, this is a suite of products. This is many different products. Microsoft 365 is not just one thing, it is Office 365. It is also Office 365 and Windows 10 and the Enterprise Mobility Suite, which is an evolution of management tools for devices that connect to applications. It is also everything that you've grown to know about Office, the Office client suite of products such as Outlook and Word and Excel and PowerPoint, where there are now web-based versions of all of these tools along with the versions that you install on your desktop. Microsoft 365 is all of those things, plus all of the back-end services that run to provide all these great functionalities such as email through Exchange Online, document sharing through SharePoint Online and OneDrive, collaboration through Teams, communication through Teams as well. So all of these tools and all of these products together make up this amazing suite of solutions called Microsoft 365. When we talk about cloud-based solutions, Microsoft 365 is a software-as-a-service solution or a SaaS where all of these different applications can be available for your organization, but you don't necessarily need to purchase all of them through a licensing and a subscription-based model. You purchase different solutions or different bundles of solutions based on your business needs or based on your organizational needs. Throughout this course, we will look at how you purchase these different licenses and subscriptions. What are these different bundles and how are they grouped together? We'll also look at all the different services that work in the background to provide all these client applications. What I have here on the screen are the Microsoft 365 Admin Center on the left, which contains all of my different workloads for Microsoft 365. And then on the right here I have my client portal, which gives me all of my client applications such as Outlook, Team, Word and Excel and PowerPoint. These are the primary two tools that are being used in Microsoft 365. From the perspective of a client, a user, I'll be using the User Office portal at office.com. And as an administrator, I'll be using the Administrator portal at admin.microsoft.com. Throughout this course, we will focus on the Microsoft 365 portal, the Admin Center, and all the other admin centers that are contained within. Don't be alarmed in this course if you hear me reference Office 365 or Microsoft 365. Some habits are hard to die, and I've known this product for quite some time and have referenced it as Office 365 for a long time. I try not to use that term anymore, but we still use it on certain UIs that have not been updated and that still reference products as Office 365. In some of the licensing that we will be going through, we will see that some licensing is actually bundled as Office 365 for a multitude of reasons, such as legacy and retaining old names, as well as familiarity, as well as it sometimes just makes sense. The graphical interfaces that I'll be showing throughout this course are cloud-based. They exist in the cloud, and Microsoft Cloud is updated frequently. It is possible that some of these interfaces have changed from the moment that I record this course until the moment that you view it. Most of the functionality in the background is still the same, though sometimes the graphical interface changes a lot. I urge you to explore these changes to the interface as the information is still relevant, but sometimes the buttons change, the colors change, the names change, but the product in the background remains quite similar.